Here we are, another little unboxing video. This is just so we can have a closer look at the Mgtf and Mgtf upgrade black Lexus lights, or Lexus style lights. Still quite a popular seller for us. So as you can see, packaged really well, ideal for when you're ordering these mail order. We're covered in nice bubble wrap so we don't get any scratches on our lenses. These are finished in a really nice crystal clear lens. It's got a matte black background. And then on the back is just a plug, what plugs directly into your wiring loom on your Mgtf or Mgtf. These fit both. These lights don't come with bulbs, or they come with some bulbs, but you can just use your bulbs out your old bulb holders, and they're easy to do. These just literally twist out. Your bulb plugs into the bulb holder, twist back in, dead easy. They do come with a nice chunky foam pad just to stop any rubbing on your bodywork on your vehicle. These are fully E-marked, they are road legal, and they are also MOT compliant. Overall build quality is really good, quite a sturdy light. They don't feel cheap and nasty at all. Quite like these. Let's just have a quick close-up.